Good morning, guys. We are back out at it again this morning. We took a day off yesterday from here to go and work at the cabin. And so today we're back out here. Kevin
Hola.
has got what he needs so we can finish up this electrical panel thing.
I don't know if I'd say what I need, but I got a few things to keep me going for a minute or two.
And what are we doing today?
We're going to try to wire these two disconnects in on that meter panel right there while you're running the shovel and cleaning this electrical ditch up. Y'all think that'll work out?
Think that's gonna happen?
This one little spot right here is really all that you need to. The rest of that ain't bad. Hit it with a square point and you'll be good before the rain.
Does it look like that's gonna happen?
I preach about her footwear every day out here, and I'm just waiting for her to get hurt so I can say I told you so.
My feet get hot and I don't like to wear tennis shoes in the summer. So yeah, that's on the agenda today. So hopefully, what's today, Wednesday? So hopefully tomorrow or Friday, we've got the dozer coming back out. So
Should be here tomorrow or Friday.
okay.
And you can see the flagging here.
Yeah, we got the flagging done. I think if you look,
It's hard to see, but
maybe if I can get it to
Keep
work.
trying to hit the zoom button.
Okay, like
You don't
right
want to pinch with your fingers too.
on my finger, right there. That's a tree to save.
That's some rough looking nail polish.
And so we're gonna take out all of this.
And go down about another 100 foot that way.
Yeah, go that way. And we've got quite a bit that we're taking out. So yeah, that'll clear up the spot for his shop and open us up just a little bit more down here. And yeah, that'll hopefully be the last of that. Finish up this electric and then wait on our footer guys to come and pour our footer, and then we'll be able to call the electric company, get our electric put in, and we will be able to move down here. So yeah, we're pretty excited about that. We're ready for sure. So do you know what you're doing here?
Sure. I'm putting that right there. And putting that right there. And I'm going to put this right here. So it doesn't rain in the top of the box.
Good idea. Okay, so step one complete. No rain in the box.
Now I'm going to hold you down and put a bunch of stickers all over here.
Those stickers are pretty handy, but we don't need them for this.
No, but we're going to save them and use them elsewhere. For anybody that has ever written on a panel and you've seen how sloppy it is, they do make these handy little stickers to label your master panels with. That way you don't have a bunch of scribbles on there that look like a 2-year-old wrote it out. Because that's what happens when I do it.
That's what happens when most men do it. They write it so that they can read it.
And then they look at it 3 months later and go, what the crap does
What
that
is
mean?
that?
I already put that one in the tub. Ding, da, ding.
We did manage to pick up some hickory yesterday
We did. We
Where?
stacked it over there by the...
for the smoker. So we are getting pretty excited about
I was
that.
just telling her more than likely I'll probably have that smoker running before we get down here. We'll just have to plan a day when we're down here working and fire her off first thing that morning when we get here. And then we can take some good yummy food back with us.
Yeah, we're ready for that for sure. We definitely missed it while we were in Alaska. We bought a Traeger while we were down there, but it's not the same. Like, the smoker, you can literally, when we got home and we were getting ready to load it and put it into the truck, I lifted because I always have to do bug patrol and make sure there's no bugs. And I lifted it up, and the smell that came out of here was amazing. Oh, it just smells so good, like smoked food. So I'm definitely ready for some more of that. You got all the pieces you need now?
Maybe.
This has been multiple trips back and forth to Lowe's trying to figure out what we need.
Why?
Because you're like, I don't know.
Well, this whole mask mandate thing has really put a damper in my ability to go to the store. I'm trying to be nice. I don't like it. I know everybody's a mask lover, but I'm not a mask lover. I believe everybody's entitled to wear a mask if they choose to or not.
Let's just say they make him angry.
I don't do well when I get hot, and that just makes me that much more hot. That's aggravating, so I'll get it.
But we finally have everything we need, we hope. And that's one way to do it.
Yeah, get it started.
Hopefully we will get this accomplished today and marked off our list. Didn't it have to be so far apart though?
It does. Barely gonna be on there with that deal. I'm gonna slap glue on that. And then I'm gonna take it and sit it right there. And I'm gonna slide it on. And then I need you to hold. And then we're gonna have to drop the lid, open the door, watch the freezer. Okay? So hold that for a second. I'll have to glue. I don't know why you have such a problem holding it back there.
Sounded more difficult than it was. What do you need? Just the box?
You bring that box over. But I need a wet rag on my head.
Huh?
I'll get it in a minute. Hold on. Now, this one's going to be a little bit more troublesome because I'm going to be trying to reach with my left on the screw gun. So, slide it up here and gently do a rough check. Make sure it's going to sit on the board. Are we on the board?
Yeah.
Does your edge look level? That's how I leveled this side. I looked at how much excess there was from here to here on top and bottom. Do not take electrical advice from me. I'm not an electrician. I'm just guessing my way through this. I have done it a few times.
And you have spoken with people who do know what they're doing, so surely that makes you an expert, right?
I watched a YouTube video.
Right.
Seriously though, don't do as I do. Everything is different in your area, more than likely. Make that Kevin tight. It's within an inch of its life there, I promise you. Get in there and shut up. We got a little rain coming. That's a good thing, right?
Rain's always good.
Because it's warm.
I'm going to leave Kevin to his digging, and we will see you guys in the next one.